These are the Schmoo puppies. They're 3.5 weeks old. We just moved them to a playpen. As you can see, they're getting around very nicely. They're just starting to walk on all 4 legs. Peanut, of course, is tan. That's Midnight. He's the smallest. Oreo's our only girl. And Rex is trying to have a drink. Look how good you guys sit up.